guys! So, happy 2021! So, first vlog ko ito na nakita nyo yung pagmumukha ko. Kasi mga previous vlog ko is puro kamay ko lang. Of course, nag-garden tayo. At pagpasensyahan nyo na yung aura ko. Trip ko lang ngayong araw na to. 2021 na. So, hindi na tayo dalagang Pilipina. Yeah! So, ano na tayo, guys? Wild na talaga, no? Wild, parang ano lang, ayoko babash. So, ayun. Thank you so much, guys, sa inyong walang sawang suporta. Kailangan sumisigaw. So, ayan. Thank you so much, guys. 2021 na at wala pa rin tayong intro. Pero ngayon, sa vlog na to, ay may gagawin akong kakaiba. Manggagaya ako ng isa sa iniidolo kong vlogger sa Pilipinas. For this vlog, ang gagayahin ko ay si ZEINAB HARAKE. So, si ZEINAB HARAKE, medyo madali lang yan sa kanya eh. Siguro naman nakita nyo na sa aking thumbnail. Manggagaya tayo ng, okay, intro ni ZEINAB HARAKE. Peace tayo mga Zebies! What's up, Zebies? So, I'm back again and again and again and again and again! So, for today's video, guys, ay gagawa na naman tayo ng panibagong video. At ang video na gagawin natin ay, may pag-ganon-ganon pa, no? Ay, maglilinis ng shoe cabinet. So, ayan, with a twist. At ang twist na gagawin ko ay English speaking only, guys. So, please watch till the end kasi meron akong itatanong sa inyo at ang makakasagot ng tanong, ang unang makakasagot ng tanong ko pala ay makaka-receive ng 500 pesos GCash or load. So matagal ko na itong gustong gagawin kasi lang na-busy talaga ako sa labas kaya inuna ko muna yung sa labas, kaya ayan, medyo okay na ako ngayon doon, kaya dito naman ako sa loob ng bahay maglilinis. So, ayan, pagpasensyahan nyo na kung napansin nyo sa mga, hindi na ako masyadong nakaka-livestream ng mga nakarang araw kasi until now, hindi pa rin ako natatapos sa aking driving na, sa aking lisensya. So, ayan, meron pa akong one last test. Shout out po pala sa aking driving instructor na si Kuya Martin. Siya po ay binansagan na the best in the West. So, shout out to you, Kuya. Ayan. So, last test ko kaya nag-focus na talaga ako kasi kapag ma-fail ako sa last test ko, which is actual test, pwede or maaaring mawala ang aking Philippine license. So, hindi na ako makapagdadrive dito. So, ayun, kaya pinokos ko yun ngayon. At, of course, general cleaning sa labas ng bahay at sa loob ng bahay. So, bago tayo mag-start, guys, disclaimer lang po, hindi po ito pagmamayabang na ipapakita ko sa inyo. Of course, cleaning to with chika-chika. And then, with a twist challenge. And I hope you enjoy this video, guys. And please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Isa lang masasabi ko, alat na! So may pakarat-karat pa. So okay, mag-start na tayo maglinis. So meron na akong hinanda dito na panglinis ng sapatos. So pagpasensyahan nyo na, guys, medyo masikip yung ano dito kaya isa-isa lang yung door na pwedeng open. Isa-isa lang siya. Hindi siya pwedeng sabay-sabay i-open ng malawak. So, ayan. Ako talaga ay napakahilig sa heels. Kahit na mukhang poste or mukhang manunungkit. Basta, so, ayan. So, parang mahilig ako mag-collect ng mga sandals or heels. So, binansagan ako ng hasawa ko na si Imelda Marcos daw. So, let's start the cleaning, guys. So, this one here on top, no need to clean na because it's already clean. I'm just gonna show you some of my collection on top. So, this one, actually, I think I only wore this one once. This is very nice actually for winter shoes. You know, when you wear a short dress and you can, yeah. And some of this one is just like I wore once, or some of them I never ko pa nasuot. And in this side, so mainly most of the top shelf are nakabox pa siya. So doesn't mean na hindi ko pa nasuot to. So some of them nasuot ko na, pero like once or twice, then iniingatan ko lang. Hirap mag-English. This one here, this one is actually not mine. This is for my little Zanara, my little niece. And this one as well. That was Boxing Day. I think this one, I bought this one. I bought this one $9 something. So half price. Shoes here, lovely shoes talaga. Actually, I tried to sell this one when I don't have money na. So I tried to sell this one, but nobody buys. So ayan, I just keep it. This one is, I bought this one on my wedding day. So very nice pointed shoes. So I feel tired wearing the sandals, so I changed to slipper. And this one too, I never wear this one. I think it's still with the tag, I'm not sure. But it is very, very nice. And this one never was. As you can see, there's still a tag in it. Tag. So yeah, we will put back. Oh, this one is from Nike Air Max. So whoever interested to buy this one, I'm selling this one because I haven't got money anymore. Move on to the second. So yeah, I think I've shown you some of this one in here. So here, some of my shoes. So yeah, we're gonna clean this one. We've done the outside, and here we haven't yet. So it's actually, they're not that dirty. You just need to wipe a little bit. So I've done the, now we'll put it back. So this one, I never wear this one. So this one as well from Kmart. That's my collection. But some of of them I wear sometimes, but not very often. And left at the Kmart, and this one is I bought from Novo. Very nice, this one. I like the style actually with this one, but the thing is the heels are heavy. Tag, there's a I haven't took up the tag yet. $69 something. So this one is I actually bought this one. I brought this one with me when I came here in Australia from Philippines, ZEINAB. This one is from Rachel, husband's daughter. So size 10. I think I haven't wear this one yet. Actually, some of them still in the plastic. What are they? So finally, we're done cleaning with the bottom shelf. So we're just gonna put back all the shoes that lives in here. So but before putting back, we're just gonna clean some of the shoes because needs cleaning. So I have here a water and stain repellent, something like that. So I'm just gonna clean some of mine. Bought black shoes just for work shoes. I haven't wear this one yet. Still brand new this one with the receipt. So just leave it in the box. From Pat. I ordered this from Pat. It's all kids. It's all kids shoes actually. It's for my little niece. So she can wear it, you know, when she starts walking. So now we're done cleaning my whole shoe cupboard, guys. So my question is, how many Tagalog words that I speak from the start of the cleaning until the end of my cleaning? So count every word. So good luck whoever wins it, guys. So I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, guys. At good luck kung sino man yung makakahula kung ilan yung Tagalog words na binanggit ko. So I hope napasaya ko kayo at napatawa ko, guys, kahit nahirapan ako mag-English dun na sa challenge na yun. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I hope